Good morning, Sean. Laconia police and firefighters responded to two motorcycle accidents on Sunday. At 5:43 p.m., emergency personnel responded to a report of a motorcycle accident with a vehicle. Crews found the driver of the motorcycle, a man, and his passenger, a woman, had been struck by a vehicle turning onto North Main Street from Blueberry Lane. The man and woman were thrown from the bike, and the female ended up being thrown under a truck that was stopped in traffic to turn onto Blueberry Lane. The man and woman were both initially transported to Lakes Region General Hospital before being airlifted to Dartmouth Hitchcock Medical Center in Lebanon with undisclosed serious injuries. Drugs, alcohol, and speed do not appear to be factors in this crash. At approximately 7:01 p.m., emergency personnel responded to 231 Roller Coaster Road for a report of a motorcycle accident. When officers arrived, they found the driver who had crashed off the road into a wall. Terry Whiplow, 57, of Woodstock, was arrested for driving under the influence. He was booked and bailed before being released with a court date of October 5th in the 4th Circuit Court in Laconia District Court. Anyone who witnessed or has any information regarding either of these accidents is asked to call the Laconia Police Department at 603-524-5252. Reporting live here outside the Laconia Police Department, I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Sean, back over to you.